In the morning I'm doing my makeup. I do a little bit of my makeup, then I get ready for work. I hope you're doing fine. So yeah, I'm going to use my sunscreen. This is what I use, by the way. If you haven't checked my previous vlog, kindly go watch it. I'll leave the link down below. I use this one during the day, and there is another of the same company which I use during the night, and you can see my skin is flawless. I'm happy with it, you know. That is it. I'm ready to face the day. My hands are so slimy because of the rain. That's why I'm getting a serviette here to dry my hands. It feels so nice to do things that you love, you know. Yeah. And by the way, guys, I'm really sorry for what happened to that lady at Forest Road. It is sick. It makes me sick, but I'm praying that justice will be done to her, you know. We all deserve the care, the protection, you know. So it was not a good thing. So I'm going to apply my eye pencil. I don't know whether I'm going to hide it. Just a little bit of it, and I just want it to look as natural as possible. So yeah, and I'm done. And I'm done. I wanted to share some few tips that can help you as ladies, even gentlemen who does cleaning, organizing themselves and all that, and I'm going to share with you those tips. I've written them down, and I hope they are going to really help you. in making you feel better when you have a clean home. It makes you feel better when you have an organized space. So get them. You know, sometimes you just get busy, not intentionally, you just get busy, you're not able to do such things. But using these tips, they will really help you, and you will become an organized person, because we all deserve the best. Let nobody tell you otherwise. We all deserve the best. So we can start with the most important place in the house, and that is the kitchen. You know, most of the things you do in the kitchen, you cook in the kitchen, you prepare your meals in the kitchen. So I'm going to share with you some few tips that can help you make your house look clean and organized. And to start with, you can organize your drawers. If you see those drawers where you put your towels, where you put your spoon, your cutleries, most of the time people put them in the drawers. So you can start that by organizing them kidogo kidogo too. Like when you wake up in the morning, you washed the dishes at night, you can do it kidogo kidogo, you arrange them, and that will make your kitchen to look organized. Then the other point that I'm going to share with you, it's to empty the trash. You see, you've used the dustbin the whole night, like the leftovers and everything, so you have to empty the trash. Go throw them where you throw them. If you put them in the bag, put them in the bag. Then we have the third point, which is you have to dust, or you have to dust off your cabinets, mostly where you put your utensils. Don't forget, just dust it, even if you do it once or twice a week, depending with the weather, because you see, when there are rains, there is no much dust, so you can dust your cabinets. Then the other one, it is whereby you have to throw out expired food. You see, sometimes it happens to me, like you buy things, like you see the vegetables. Mostly right now I don't have a fridge, and I'm not complaining. So most of the time when we buy those fresh vegetables, they end up spoiling, but we are trying to avoid that. At least we buy what we can use, so you can throw those things away. On the other hand, sometimes you buy these other things, like bread, it expires, you have to throw it away so that you can keep your kitchen clean and organized. Then the third one, you have to wash and put away dishes. Sometimes it's not that easy, but you have to wash them and pack them where they are supposed to be. Then from there, you have to scrub your sink. You see the sink area, you have to scrub it and make it clean, so that even if you're using it, you're using a clean place. Then the other one, it is whereby you have to wipe down your countertops. Unaona huko juu kwenye unatengenezea chakula, kwenye unaekelea maybe coffee maker, hizo places you have to make them clean. Anyway guys, those are just few tips. Ni kidogo sana, and you can manage them. You can do them each and every day. Maybe for the cabinet cleaning, you can do it once in a week, and with that you're going to have a clean kitchen. So that is it guys. I'll go trying to share with you tips that will help you to deep clean, or to make your whole house clean. And I hope you've liked this vlog. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. The support you give me, I really appreciate it. Thank you.